Hello, I have a reservation for night.
What's your name?
My name is Ismail.
Yes, I got the reservation. You have reservation for room junior suite and you are leaving January 17.
Yes, alright.
Okay, may I see your ID please?
Of course, yes, please.
Good. This is your K room, sir. And your number is 21. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Hello sir, this is housekeeping. How may I assist you, Sir Asnawir?
Actually, could you please restore the cafe empty in my room?
Sure, we will replace the tea and coffee supplies in your room. Anything else, sir?
How about some shampoo and soy gel and cooling low?
Okay, Sir Asnawir, we will provide you with fresh supplies of shampoo and shower gel. Anything else we can assist you?
These are the things I like for your assistance.
You're welcome, sir. If you need anything else during your stay, just let us know. Enjoy your time, sir.
I will, thanks.